Hi, my first technology that I am going to introduce you guys to is called planbook.edu or planbookedu.com. It is a great website for teachers to use to collaborate and plan. Helps you stay organized and very user friendly. You select the first day to school and the last day to school, and then you can open it up. When you open it, you can look at a week view. You also get to select how many periods you want to show. I think it allows up to 8 periods. I just needed 5 when I use it. In my first period, I might have like spelling, and I can type in introduce spelling words, and I can set it to show up every week. I can have it show up only one time. So it's very helpful like that. My coworkers and I can sit down in the same room and go to plan lessons together, and we can all pull up the same period and share. We do a target time where we level our students off every morning for 30 minutes for math and 30 minutes for reading, so it's very helpful for that. I can also pull it up and send it to my substitutes very easily. I can also print it off if I need it for admin. So it's intended for teachers and my coworkers. My standards with it are collaborator A and 4A and 4D. It's very helpful. I can go on and select a set date, say August 20th, and when I click on it, in period 1 I have introduced new spelling words. I can edit it. I can drag in things from other lesson plans I have or from websites. I can link my website straight to it. I can upload a file if I need a certain file to go with it. Once I typed in what I want them to do, write new words. I can save it, and it'll show up right there in my lesson plan for me, and it's really simple. If I ever need to go back, I can. I can also drag things from one day to the next. Say I was on it and I didn't get something done, I can take it and I can move it to the next day. Because say we had a snow day or something pop up. So I really like that. I'm able to copy it and move it to the next day as well. So that is my first source, is planbookedu.com. It's a free online lesson plan book.